Dmail is transforming how we communicate online. Imagine the familiarity of email with the security of blockchain. Imagine sending messages that are completely private, thanks to end-to-end encryption, and logging in effortlessly with your crypto wallet. Dmail takes it a step further with NFT-based email domains, giving you a unique digital identity. Plus, it supports cross-chain messaging, allowing seamless communication across different blockchain networks. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in digital communication. And with the Dmail token, you can participate in this innovative ecosystem while potentially benefiting from its growth. Dmail is not just the future, it's the now of private communication. Getting started with Dmail is a breeze. Just connect your Web3 wallet, like MetaMask, and claim your unique NFT email domain, imagine you.dmail.it. Instantly, you can send encrypted messages and subscribe to updates from verified Web3 projects through Subhub. It's like having a personalized newsletter without the clutter. I've been using Dmail for a few weeks, and it's a game changer. No ads, no tracking, just a clean, purpose-built experience for the crypto world. Plus, owning my email domain as an NFT. That's a whole new level of digital identity. It feels like email has finally evolved to match the innovation of crypto. Dmail is more than just a token, it's the heartbeat of the Dmail ecosystem. Imagine staking your tokens and earning rewards while you sleep. Or having a say in the future of the platform through governance votes on protocol upgrades. With Dmail, you can buy and sell NFT domains in a vibrant marketplace, and even get rewarded for engaging with specific messages through our mail-to-earn feature. Backed by robust ecosystems like BNB Chain, Polygon, and ICP, Dmail is gearing up for a mainnet launch in Q4 2024. With exciting features like enterprise mailboxes and a marketing hub on the horizon, the potential for Dmail is immense. This isn't just another token, it's your gateway to a decentralized communication revolution.